So you might be wondering, what is BFMI episode 5? Well, we'll tell you. So, basically what happened was, I didn't feel like doing it anymore. Episode 5 was a comic episode. Episode 6 was animated with PowerPoint, and episode 8 was also animated with PowerPoint. All 3 of those episodes are done. Wait, let's do the old switcheroo. No, well, look at my body. Now look at my body now. It looks 10 times worse. But in all honesty, I need to pull over my good friend Bubble to do the rest of this. Hi guys, it's me, Bubble. So, BFMI was on like a hiatus, I guess you could say. And those 3 episodes are gonna come out very, very soon. And also, on these 2 new series I'm gonna be starting, Nacho Nick and Stars at War. Stars at War is gonna be a new object show with stars, and Nacho Nick is gonna be about it's gonna be like Becky Bucket. So tune for that. Hi, Bubble. Oh, Pence, it's not a good time. I'm filming for Pumpkin. Oh, well, hi viewers. We're still having coffee later, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's give the release date from when episode 5, 6, and 7 are gonna be out. There's gonna be a marathon on October 14th, 2016. A marathon of episodes 5, 6, and 7. And also, please tell your friends, because it makes me sad that you won't tell people about the show. But yeah, cause I'm Boybo and you can choice me. I made the final 3 in BFEI. So that's it for this update video. Bye.